Happy days, everyone. Today is a brilliant day because we are making one of my absolute favorite dinners. It's a real showstopper, but honestly, it's dead simple. I'm talking about a gorgeous golden Peruvian-style roast chicken. Just imagine it now. Warm, a bit spicy, a little bit zesty. The kind of smell that gets everyone asking when dinner will be ready. The skin gets beautifully crisp while the meat underneath stays incredibly juicy and tender. A proper triumph of a roast. The secret is in the spices and a magnificent green sauce, ají verde. It's fresh, zesty, with a gentle kick that cuts the richness. We'll serve it with a big, lovely pile of creamy mashed potatoes. Homey, comforting, an absolute joy to eat. No fancy kit, no complicated techniques, just good, honest ingredients and a little bit of love. Perfect for Sunday dinner or impressing your mates without breaking a sweat. So, let's get into it. I want to show you how to make this stunning meal from scratch. Let's get cooking. Right then, let's get our lovely chicken ready for its big moment. The first and most important job is drying the skin. Pat it dry all over, top, bottom, and all the little nooks and crannies. A dry bird is a happy bird. About a 1.5 kilogram beauty will do nicely. Now for the spice rub, where the magic starts. 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 2 teaspoons cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika. If you've got smoked paprika, even better. Crush 3 cloves of garlic, don't be shy. Rub garlic all over, then massage the spice mix into every bit of the skin. Top tip, get flavour under the skin. Slide a little rub into a pocket over the breast to season the meat directly. Pop halved lemon or limes into the cavity for steamy citrus aromatics. Rub with 2 tablespoons of oil, vegetable or olive, and tie the legs if you like a neat roast. Into a sturdy roasting tin, breast side up. Look at that. Already a work of art. Preheat to 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit. That blast of heat starts the skin crisping straight away. For a 1.5 kilo bird, roast about 1 hour to 1 hour 15, roughly 20 minutes per pound plus 20 minutes. Let it do its thing while your kitchen fills with incredible aromas. At around 50 minutes, peak. If the top's darkening too fast, loosely tent with foil. Best proof of doneness is a thermometer, 75 Celsius, 165 Fahrenheit. Juices should run clear. Once cooked, let it rest 10 to 15 minutes. Juices settle back in. Tender, juicy meat guaranteed. Don't throw away those pan juices, liquid gold. It's a simple little check routine that gives you even colour, crisp skin and succulent meat every time. While the chicken roasts, make the superstar, ají verde. A big bunch of coriander, about a packed cup, and, if you have it, a 1/4 cup of parsley. 2 chopped green onions, and 1 small clove of garlic for gentle warmth. Add a small jalapeno or green chili. Seed it if you're spice shy, or skip it. Your sauce, your rules. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon vinegar, fresh lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and 2 to 3 tablespoons water. Blitz until smooth, thick enough to coat a spoon, but still pourable. Taste and adjust salt, lemon or water. No blender? Finally chop everything and whisk with oil and lemon. Rustic, but just as delicious. This sauce is pure magic, fresh, zesty, a little kick, making the whole dish sing. For perfect mash, use 1 kilogram, about 2 pounds, of Maris Piper or Yukon Gold. Peel and cut into even chunks. Start in cold, well-salted water. Bring to a boil, then simmer 15 to 20 minutes until knife tender. Drain really well and let them steam dry, the drier the fluffier. Return to the pot and mash until the lumps are gone. Add about 50 grams of butter and half a cup of warm milk or cream. Warm is key for silky mash. Beat until smooth and dreamy. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Fancy it extra decadent? Add a little more butter or cream. This is your mash. Make it glorious, the perfect comforting base for our amazing Peruvian chicken. Right, the moment of truth. Our chicken is rested and juicy, the mash is creamy, and the green sauce is buzzing. Because we let it rest, carving is easy, and the juices stay in the meat. Arrange the pieces on a big warm platter. Family style looks fantastic. Drizzle that gorgeous aji verde over, or serve it on the side so everyone can help themselves. Don't forget those lovely pan juices. Pour them into a small jug. Add a generous spoonful of mash and make a little well. Fill it with pan juices, then add slices of roast chicken. Scatter fresh coriander or green onion for a pop of colour and freshness. Rich savoury chicken, bright zesty sauce, soft comforting mash, with a limey green salad or steamed beans if you like. One of the best things about a whole roast chicken is brilliant leftovers. Cool completely, then pop chicken and mash into separate airtight containers and slide into the fridge for up to 3 days. Jar the green sauce, good for 2 to 3 days, or freeze in cubes for a month. Grab a cube whenever you need a flavour burst. Reheat gently in the microwave, or warm in the oven to re-crisp the skin. Warm mash with a splash of milk on the hob, or microwave until steamy. Shred chicken for sandwiches with green sauce. Toss into a fresh salad, or use in tacos and quesadillas. Turn mash into crispy potato cakes. Form patties, dust with flour, and fry until golden. This meal keeps on giving. Enjoy the roast, then get excited for the leftovers.